Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best immersion blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KOIOS oxasmart 800W 12 speeds immersion blender. KOIOS oxasmart has a powerful 800-watt motor with 12 different turbo speed options. You can use it with a single touch and get immersible job. The robust stainless steel blade performs excellent blending, chopping, and mixing tasks. The anti-splashing feature saves your juice from splashing. It is a multitask immersion blender that proved a perfect job. 360 degrees seamless connection attaches with the press of a button and is more secure than a conventional rotary connection, keeping everything together at any speed and any angle. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Braun MQ537 Multiquick immersion blender. Braun MQ537 is an efficient immersion blender that has many unique features. The mixer made from chemical-free, totally FDA-approved the material. It will provide you a secure and safe blending job. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it use with solid and stiffer foods. Bell-shape immersion blender prevents food from splashing. The global leader in hand blenders has done it again with the Braun Multiquick 5 hand blender, model MQ537. Fitting neatly and comfortably in your hand, you're to use this cooking tool daily for all of your culinary tasks. A beaker, whisk, 2-cup chopper and masher let you master everything from sauces to smoothies and soups. The unique power bell system takes flavor profiles to new levels with finer and faster blending capabilities. The slip-proof ergonomic grip of the Braun 5 hand blender gives comfort food a whole new meaning. At number 3, we have the Utalent 5-in-1, 8 speeds, 500 ml food grinder, 600 ml container, immersion blender. Utalent 5-in-1 immersion blender has the 250-watt powerful motor. Turbo speed mixing ready juices, shakes, and sauces in a few seconds. It contains FDA and ETL approved material. The hard stainless steel 4 blades blend the whole mixture smoother and uniform way. An efficient way to save your time, money, and energy. Detachable attachments are easier to clean, chemical-free with ETL, dishwasher-safe and BPA-free. Milk frother attachment. Portable handheld milk frother makes milk foam for your coffee. At number 2, we have the Aicok 4-in-1, 12 speeds, 800 ml Beaker immersion blender. Aicok 4-in-1 contains a sharp and hard blending stick. The stick contains hard stainless steel material that has a blending blade. The smart immersion blender is equipped with a 350-watt motor besides 5 adjustable speeds. The Aicok 4-in-1 is a stronger machine that provides you with a better cutting, chopping, paring, and blending task. Equipped with a 350W motor and 4 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, the hand immersion blender blend ingredients effectively for puree baby food, smoothies, sauce, milkshakes, soups, milkshakes, juice, salsa and cream. Stay healthy and in a good shape. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bayka 4-in-1, 500W, 600 ml Beaker immersion blender. Bayka 4-in-1 immersion blender is best for making juices, smoothies, and sauces. An intelligent immersion blender that smartly does blending, chopping, whipping, whisking, pureeing, emulsifying job. The sharp and extra hard stainless steel blades work in less time than an ordinary immersion blender takes to complete a task. Works like a champ. 500W motor means you only need to wait half the time of traditional blenders for a fabulous glass of juice. Turn ice, fruit, and yogurt into a smoothie in no time. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.